Want to learn how to make your own ugly Christmas sweater for under $10? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Hackers. Today I'm talking ugly Christmas sweaters. It's the holiday season. This has become a really popular party for most of us, and it's a lot of fun. However, it can be really pricey to buy one of these ugly Christmas sweaters. This one in particular is from Tipsy Elves. It's become like a popular company with these types of sweaters. This sucker's $50. Now, I don't want to spend $50 on a sweater that I'm only going to wear one time and for a few hours. So I've come up with a really great way to make your own. And you know what? It's going to almost look just like this and for under $10. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, it's time to make our DIY version of that ugly Christmas sweater. So let me tell you where I got these few items for under $10. Now, I found my green golf sweater at the Goodwill for $4. The great thing about Goodwill actually is when you go in, all of the sweaters are color coordinated, so I didn't have to kind of like go through everything. I immediately saw this sweater and I went right for it, and the fact that it says golf, in just my opinion, makes it even more funny. We're going to be putting, you know, some tinsel on here, so we're going to be covering all that up, so you won't even see it after we're done with it. Then I went over to my Dollar Tree. I found some items. I've got my star, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that at the end. This is going to be our last item that we use. I've got my red ornaments. I want to say maybe 12 of those for $1. And then I've got this really tacky, you know, garland that we are going to hot glue onto our sweater. Then, if you really want to get crazy, you can add some lights, and you can just basically, you know, weave these through. I'm going to show you how to do that. Really cheap. Just get yourself a little battery-operated light. You can buy these from, I think the Dollar Tree actually has these too. And then you're set to go. Under $10 instead of $50. Okay, let's get started on how we're going to do this. So first and foremost, what I did is I actually pre-cut my garland so I wouldn't have to do it. Now, it is going to be messy, and what you're going to want to do is basically, this is going to look like a Christmas tree when it's all said and done. So you're going to want to make it kind of like you're wrapping it around your tree. All right, I'm going to get started now. All right, now I'm going to talk about the arm. So you're going to want to put the garland all around the arm just to give it a little bit more, you know, detail, and just to make it more funny in general. All right, now we're going to place the balls on. Now, I don't suggest putting the balls on the back of the sweater just in case you know, sit down and lean back. That's just not going to be comfortable. So we're just going to put these kind of all over the place. You can add more. You can add different colors. I'm just kind of giving you an easy way to do this with just few products that you're going to need. Okay, now to add the lights, what I'm going to do is you're going to want to make sure that your battery operated pack is, well, in this case, this is just a little clicker right here that it can either go like in your pocket, or if you have like a purse, just whatever you've got right there, it can go in so it can hide from the sweater. And what you're going to want to do is, this is super easy because this is like a wire, so it can basically just wire in. You can wire it even onto the bulbs or onto the ornaments. This just gives it a little bit more fun and flair for the holiday season. It's really easy to do. These are really lightweight. And then you can just hide it with the garland. Nobody is even going to know. It's just going to look like little cool lights coming off your sweater. All right, my under $10 ugly Christmas sweater compared to the $50 one, I must say, I think mine is way funnier. And look, I'm going to add even a little bit something more funny to it. I'm adding my star, and if I hold it just perfectly, I'm going to look like a Christmas tree. How hilarious is that? You're going to get lots of laughs at the parties. Guys, under $10, you can't beat it. All right, I hope that you have found this helpful. If so, give me some thumbs up. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Wardrobe Hackers. You can follow us on Facebook. Thanks for watching, you guys, and see you next time.